Hey guys, welcome back to Screen Factory. We're at Dan's house today and we have the car getting hooked up to a trailer, which, what does that mean? I don't know what that means.
It means getting a new car, baby.
We're getting a new car, baby! Yeah! All right, guys, we're almost there. We've driven like about half an hour out to where are we? Stratton, and yeah, getting real close now. Probably like 1 minute. So yeah, we do.
Very exciting.
Very exciting.
What did we get? What are we getting?
Yeah.
Are we gonna get it? Who knows? We have the trailer in back, so I hope so.
Oh, it's this place here, eh? Yeah. Alright, we're here. There's lots of cars here. Mm-hmm. Oh, the 370.
Sweet.
Alright.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. So this is it, mate. Full tube front end.
Yep.
Wiring, a bit of a mess.
Yeah.
Interior wiring is a bit of a mess. Obviously got all your electronic dampening.
Yep.
Controlled teams in there.
Yep.
There's a power steering pump in the car as well. Rear brakes are in the car.
Yep.
Front left brake calipers in the car as well.
Yep.
Got a blown out spread clutch.
Yep. That's right.
Do that.
And has it had any like hectic smashes or anything like that? No.
I only cut the front of it off because I wanted to go like drift it professionally, but didn't follow through the shot that I got.
Yeah, fair.
What's the plan for this? Are you going LS?
Nah, so I've got a 25 gearbox sitting at home, so I'm just gonna try find something on Marketplace because I want it to be as realistic as possible for the video. You know what I mean? I've got a lot of cars at my house that I could do a drift budget build, but I bought them so long ago and I want it to be right now, you know what I mean? Like what can you buy today and get into it? So there was a couple of options we were looking at, but I know the tube front end definitely excited me, you know what I mean? Definitely something different and
we'll probably put a budget together, eh?
Get
a whiteboard and like figure out what we can and can't spend. No steering wheel on this side's locked.
Only at the front.
Only at the front. Yeah, that's it. And the front brake caliper. I mean, they got decent pads in it as well. Power steering pump, rear tail lights. Center garnish. There's that if you really want it.
All the rest of the fruit and stuff.
The wide body kit back on the back for you.
Sweet. And that was a Pandem kit, wasn't it?
No. So it's Mad Aero. So it's Russian, but they all shut down. And
really?
Before they shut down, I actually got my mate to do and take a mold of these. So S&N Performance. They make the white body kit for these. That's a mold off of this kit.
Oh, really? Oh, sick.
Because the original Mad Aero kit just remolded.
Oh, sick.
Wow.
Well, your rear bumper is a complete clean skin, never been drilled to be mounted even.
Oh, beautiful.
That's completely fresh.
Obviously, you want to run probably like a quick connect sort of.
And it's actually a mad kit. It looks sick.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, so that's the M Sport.
Yeah, look right there.
Certainly a lot of potential for what you want to buy it for.
Oh yeah, and it being 4-door is like that's just even better, man.
Yeah, don't see a lot of 4-door.
Excuse the mess in the back.
No, you're right, bro.
Is the boot hard open?
Oh no, straight open, man. Grab the lever. No, like even the boots. Not rust free, but it's surface.
It's not
horrible. Holes through it. There's another power steering pump there.
It should be 300.
Power steering.
The top for the fuel tanks there, we just took the pump out, obviously. So that's what
pump and hanger. I don't actually need the hanger or that pump. Do you want a 460 intake?
Oh, if you're offering, I'm not going to say no. How's the battery? Is she dead?
That battery is a good boat anchor. The car's been sitting for a few years and that battery's been in there the whole time.
Yep.
Yeah, 2021 that thing started rolling.
No, sweet.
Was it registered beforehand? Or?
Yeah, this was fully on the road. But
Oh, nice.
like
Yeah.
years as
2018 it got yellow sticking.
Unreal.
Get yellowed for
everything.
Too low, too loud.
Yeah, too low, too loud, too much horsepower, too many mods.
This thing was pushing 800 horsepower with that motor combo in it.
Oh, nice, dude. That's mean.
460 fuel tank.
Stick it through a panel light hole.
Yeah, dude.
I closed the boot.
Legend.
All of the race car parts. And with the white shell.
Yep.
Hell yeah, bro. What do you reckon?
I reckon it's the way to go.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
I reckon it looks sick.
Yeah.
With the
And it's already
the
got
wide body.
yeah, and the guards are already
fenders.
cut as well. All we'll have to do, because it's been cut but not like welded together. You don't
Yeah,
have to do it, but
Oh, you're talking about between the
where
the wide
there's-
body and the original
where
fender.
the standard guard is.
Yeah.
Because same as what I done, you have to like pretty much, you have to cut a section out and then cut like
Lines.
in it
Yeah.
and tuck it up.
Yeah, yeah.
It's honestly, the gaps are very close, so it won't be hard to weld.
Yeah, yeah. Nah, don't.
Oh, sweet. Legend. Days. Sweet. Another.
Oh, yeah, boy.
That's like the old 460
Oh,
pumps
pumps.
in the back.
Yeah, bro. You're a legend, eh? Thank you.
Happy days.
From when I had it like double my days.
Yeah,
I
yep.
got over a speed bump.
Yeah.
And off, I'm like, oh.
Likewise, that's the issue.
Is that off it?
Yeah. And he actually has the missing part to that bit.
Oh, nice. Killer.
I'm tempted to rego it.
Nah, no way with the tube front end.
no,
Never, nah.
Shoot, funny. Sweet.
Hell yeah.
Good. Yeah, any parts that I don't have to try find is definitely helpful.
That's it, eh?
Yeah.
But you can always glass the skirt back together.
Yeah, we will,
that's what I was,
100%, yeah.
I was like, yeah, if you got that part, that'll be easily. Like, yeah, I'll be able to fiberglass that back together.
Yeah, that'd be dope.
Nice and correct.
What does it feel like to be the proud owner of R33? Oh, another R33 Skyline.
Yeah, first four door up.
First four door.
Very exciting. Very exciting. This is it's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, hell yeah, can't wait.
Going on. Yep, sorry.
Oh, hopefully I'll see you soon with them other parts.
What?
Thank you. Thank you.
Hell yeah, bro.
And we're on.
Make haste.
Oh, you mentioning? It's all like all adjustable. All the roads are adjustable, like on the fly adjustable.
Dude, that's wild.
So it's
So yeah, this is why I was like, this is a even though it cuts into the budget a fair bit,
Yeah.
it's a great starting point because it's got so much, so many parts. Yeah, exactly.
like, it's got diff, it's got axles, it's got
Yeah, and a
slotted-
good diff, like
Yeah.
R200, like good diff.
yeah, slotted rotors. It's got the like the coilovers are like really good teen coilover, tine teen, however you say it.
Yeah.
What else? Even like all the extras he threw in.
Yeah,
weren't even
extra interior pieces.
What else?
100%.
Like, yeah, I reckon we strip the whole thing out.
Yeah,
Still
yeah.
all the interior.
Yeah, just to like recuperate as much cash as we can.
Yeah, and just
that
to be able
means
to put it back into
back
the
into
car.
the motor, yeah, and turbo upgrade.
Yeah.
You know, if we need to get a tune and whatnot, for
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah, definitely.
Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Yeah, that's good there.
Well, that.
Let's have a quick little run through like what stuff's on today.
All right, what do we got? Got a sick bumper. Not sure what brand. It is.
Yeah, nah.
Cool vented bonnet. Have a look at the. So yeah, they're all adjusted. You can adjust that on the fly from the inside of the car. The dampening of the suspension.
Yeah, dude.
Honestly, that might be going on the 32.
Yeah.
So that's a cool, absolutely cool mod that, yeah, I don't even have on my drift car. tube front end,
There's a steering rack,
steering rack.
power steering pump.
Yep. There's another one in the boot. I think you said there's 3.
Bro, I might have to pinch one and run
Yeah.
one on the 188.
Yeah,
We'll see how we go.
What else? Front side of the car is pretty much it. We've got 5 stud all round, so that's a benefit.
Wide body kit.
White body kit. I wonder if it comes with the front door panels, because that's a cover for that he missed. No, but it doesn't have any holes like there was, so maybe not.
Nah, this is part of the wide body.
Yeah. But
Yeah, you understand. Yeah.
does it-
A wide body on the front? Nah,
Yeah.
nah. That's just
keys in there. Nothing really to see in there. It's got everything.
there's a fuel pump.
Oh yeah, new fuel pump, hanger for the pump. Get rid of this. We're not going to need that where we're going.
Yeah.
It's got a like interior is what's left of it is mint. Not really be able to see this side, but yeah, it's got pretty much everything except for gearbox, engine, seat, steering wheel, and then really just adjustable arms that we can buy for it.
Dude, the coilovers are like new.
Yeah, they do look new, eh? Holy shit, look how shiny they are.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
They're way better than my 32 ones.
That's got to be one of the best parts about it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, can you show the rear bar?
Hell yeah, man.
33 rear bar.
Next.
So pretty much what we're going to do now is Dan and I are going to run through everything that we're missing and put a budget together of what we're actually going to spend. We're hoping that it's going to be under $8,000. Fingers crossed. We're already $2,500. It will be $3,000 in once the guy that sold us the car gives us a couple more parts. So he's going to give us a hydro handbrake with the GK Tech dual caliper brake kit for it, and also calipers to suit. What else? Where that, like, he's given that to us for an absolute steal, brand new part, and it is all brand new, untouched. Like, it's still all in the packets and stuff like that. So really good purchase to go along with it. That was pretty much it, eh? Oh, and he said if there's anything else that he can find, he's going to chuck it in. So yeah, we'll see what else he brings us.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nah, super stoked.
pretty much it, eh?
Yeah.
I think that's, yeah. And I was talking about wrapping it, but this color is actually sick. Like, it actually is a cool color. It's hard to see.
Midnight, is it purple? Like midnight?
Yeah, it's purple, but I don't know what he called it.
Yeah. We'll hit him up and ask him. He knew the paint code as well, so.
Yeah, because we'll need it, because I think the other side of the guard's cracked.
Yeah, it needs to be repainted for sure.
I wonder why he's got that lip on it.
Yeah, I know, right?
It's like they're plus something. Like, they'd be like,
He must have had some wild rims on it, because that is some serious wheel gap, eh?
yeah.
Yeah. So let's ask him for some photos of what this car looked like before it got the motor taken out and taken off the road.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, so he's been to Power Cruise, boom.
Yeah.
Yo. And yeah. So, and with that, we are just unhooking the trailer. We're super stoked. We just had a little sit down and went through a few things that we need to buy. Put a little price list together, which we'll do a proper video of. We still haven't figured everything out. We're kind of tossing up whether to go the RB25 or the RB20. The 25 is obviously the optimal path that we would like to go down, but whether or not it will fit into the budget build guidelines that we are setting, which we initially thought was going to be $8,000, but we think we're bumping it up to 10 just because that is a more realistic number, especially using the Skyline platform, which in 2025 is not cheap like it used to be. So
Yeah, insane. We got an awesome deal.
An awesome deal on the car, and it was literally just off marketplace. Like this wasn't a special deal that we got off of May or anything like. And that's the way we want to do the build. We want to keep it as realistic as possible. Like we don't want to be getting deals off mates who like own a shop, or we do something for you, we'll do something for them. Like we just want to keep it like anyone can do this. Anyone can get on their phone right now, load up marketplace, buy this shell and build a drift car, because what we want to do is bring more people into the sport in WA. So
Yeah. And I think it's going to be a good video to be able to show people how to do it.
Yeah. We hope everyone can get on board, like and subscribe. I guess we're winding up the first episode right here. So, it's been an awesome day, man. And we're just really keen to riff into the car. And
can't wait.
Yeah, it's going to be mad.
Yeah, boy.
Hell yeah.
Let's get it.
Screw Factory out.